This is finding you for a reason. This is your synchronicity, your sign for the day from your angels. I have a message here that I wrote out, and there's going to be about 98% of you that are like, yes, this is for me. I need to hear this. And you're resonating with me so far. Maybe you're seeing some orbs. A lot of you report seeing orbs in my videos. And then there's the 2% of you that's like, this is why am I even still watching? And let me tell you, this is going to hit all of you. But for the 2% of you, it's going to be later on. So yes, it's for all of you. Here's what I have here. I said, dear Spirit, dear God, angels, give me a message that is really good. Everyone needs to hear today in this moment. And I heard, never give up your power. Stay strong in who you are. Never give up your power. Stay strong in who you are. Hold up your light and you'll never be lost. Okay? What does that mean? Well, I feel like perhaps someone's trying to take your power away, and they're trying to make you, what they want to do is they want you to think that you don't actually have power because they want the power over you. If you realize you have power, that takes their power away. Okay? So Spirit's saying never give up your power. Ever, ever, ever. Okay? And if you feel in a situation that you feel powerless, it's time to start changing some things in your life to get your power back. And Spirit's saying stay strong in this, because this person might really try to knock you down, because guess what? When they say you start sticking up for yourself, that's threatening, because now they're realizing, uh-oh, they're starting to stick up for themselves. I might be losing my power, and then they're gonna give it all to you. They're gonna throw it all at you to see what sticks. So just know, stay strong, and as long as you're being within your own power, as long as you're staying true to who you are, that's what the Spirit's saying. Hold your light up high and you'll always know the way. Hold your truth up high. What feels right to you, what rings your bells, what your heart feels is right, as long as you're doing what your heart feels right, you'll never lose your path. You'll never be on the wrong path. But if you give your light away to someone else and you let them guide you, then you might be on the wrong path. So Spirit's saying, don't give your power away. Don't give your light away. Don't give that torch away. That torch is guiding you. That torch is how you see what path to go on. And if you hand the torch off to someone else because they're saying they know better than you, then guess what? Now they have control over you. This is important. This message is really important that this is finding you. You might need to watch this a few times. In fact, send this to the first person that popped in your head, send this to them because they need to hear this as well. Not everyone's on TikTok, you guys. Not everyone's on Instagram. Not everyone's on YouTube. So sometimes Spirit uses you as a messenger to deliver a message, just like I'm using this platform to deliver the message to you. This is a powerful message that will affect many people and empower a lot of people and perhaps change someone's life. So pass this along.